Can we make giant knots to hang on the wall at a local restaurant in Mystic? Yes. These are knots we tied for the Mariner restaurant in Mystic. We get asked all the time to recreate this wall, so here we go. The first knot in this series will be the square knot. I used 165 inches of 1-inch cotton rope cut into 4 equal-sized pieces. I tied this square knot by forming 2 loops with 2 pieces of rope in each loop. Go up through the loop, underneath all 4 ends, and then back through the loop again. Tighten the knot up and even out all the ends. Adjust the knot so it looks exactly how you want it to look hanging on the wall. Every single end needs to be stitched to a piece of rope underneath it so the knot is secure when you tack it to the wall. This step is a lot more time consuming than actually tying the knot. Repeat this step for all the ends. Then tie a whip around all the ends so the rope doesn't fray when you cut off the duct tape. Cut off all the duct tape, making sure the ends are even. Your knot is ready to hang on the wall. You can tack it onto your wall, or you could tack it to a board that you could hang on your wall like a picture.